about to wrap last scene of the day, and we're about to. Good morning, vlog. It is 8:20 something. 22, 20, whatever. It's almost 8:30. And I just woke up at 5 a.m. this morning and did a 10-mile run. Took the dog out, and now I'm making some eggs for breakfast. And then later, what's on the docket is go to my friend's house, help her with a self-tape. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the grocery store, get some stuff for this week, meal prep, and laundry. I say that every week. I say laundry every week, and then I always go, I'll do it on Monday, and never do it on Monday. It's literally my number one flaw. But this time, I will be doing it on Monday. So I have taken a little bit of a hiatus from running, and I've just returned maybe this week or last week. I'm still like on a very limited workout schedule. I really only do like 5 to 4 days a week so far. Usually I work out 6 to 7 days a week, or at least that's what I used to do. I'm working my way back there. Today I went for 10 miles because on the 26th, I'm going to be running a half marathon. On the 26th, I'll be running a half marathon. That's not this weekend, but the following weekend. So I was just like, let me see how far I can go without like feeling like I'm dying, because it has been a while since I ran. And it went well. I think I went at a really slow pace. I went like 13:31, which was like pretty slow, but it was good. I had no problems at all. And going that early, there's nobody down there, which is the best. I'm gonna do 3 eggs. I make my eggs really simple, honestly. I just crack them in the pan. I'm not the best egg cracker in the world, so if there's any shells that go in, I guess we're eating with a crunch. I'm just kidding. I will throw up. I'm like weird with eggs. Like if anything is crunchy in my eggs, or if it's too soft, I'm throwing up. Like texture is huge for me. Texture is massive for me, so that's my happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and make breakfast. Oh, also, let me talk to you guys about this pescatarian thing. As you saw, this weekend I certainly didn't follow that. Okay, I was off meat for so long because I had a steak that I made in this vlog, and then I threw it out. Like, I woke up in the middle of the night and got sick and threw it all up. So then after that, I was like, I'm staying away from milk and dairy. I'm staying away from dairy and meat. But then, and then I ordered chicken wings. I don't know, y'all. Yeah, so I will try to eat more plant-based and less meat. But, yeah, and I kept finding that I was still always so hungry. So anyway, I'm not a pescatarian. That lasted like a full week. LOL. Don't judge me. I do the best I can. So clearly it's just not a diet that's sustainable for me and my lifestyle. And I have to accept it. But, yeah. Anywho, I'm going to finish these eggs up, eat breakfast, get ready to go to my friend's house, and then I will update you, when I get things going. All right, love ya. Bye. It's 11:31. I'm gonna start heading over there. Oh my gosh. My purse doesn't want to be picked up. Oh my gosh. How is it that I'm 29 and I can't even bend down? Run 10 miles, but I can't bend down. That's probably why I can't bend down. Anyway, I'm heading out. I'll see you guys when I'm over there. Okay, so I just got here and then Jasmine fed me. And I literally ate so fast and so much. And then I asked for water and look at this cute cup.
Oh, that's the light skin one?
Ah, stop! We got the Coco Santa.
Yeah.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, me and my mom.
Oh,
Yay.
the cutest.
Black Santa supremacy. Yep.
Look, I just want to also say, look at how cute.
Okay.
For a selfie tape.
Okay.
So cute.
Yep.
So this is Jasmine's film spot. I need one of these because I set up every single time just because I have a smaller apartment. But like, this is nice.
Hi.
Oh, and then you put your laptop up there when you do like the FaceTime ones. Oh, I love that. Okay.
Hi. Hi, YouTube.
This is Jasmine.
Hi, I'm Jasmine D. Boone. I'm 5'1", based in New York.
For real, 512.
All right.
Okay, Jasmine's going. We've just been doing some line reads, and now I've been telling her how to act because, like, truly, what would she do without me? Really, it was trash before.
Yeah, internet. Yeah.
LOL. I couldn't even do it in an accent. She's going like full RP. I tried once, and I said it's too hard. Okay, here we go. And enterprises of great pith and moment. Okay, so funny thing, Jasmine gets a lot of the same auditions that I do.
Yeah.
So for the last one, I couldn't show you obviously because it's a short film and that stuff is protected. The play I could show you because it was a play and it's, you know, public knowledge. Anyway, me and Jasmine have the same one. I'm about to do my self-tape tomorrow. I'm cutting it kind of close, TBH.
TB.
But, TB.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just finished up. We did 5 self-tapes. It took us we started at like
1.
Yeah, 1 to 3. So it took us like 3 hours, which is pretty good. 2 hours.
Yeah, 1 to 3 is 2 hours.
Oh yeah, 1 to 3 is 2 hours. And it wasn't bad. It went pretty fast for 5 self-tapes. Yeah. And some of them were in like RP.
I don't like to do this shit for too long. Oh, can I not say shit?
Yeah, I say shit all the time.
Shit.
I gotta go.
Oh, yeah.
So now I'm gonna go grocery shopping and pray for me.
Bye.
Long time, but I'm looking back. This line is insane. Wow. Okay, so it is currently 4:22. I am about to go edit, and then after editing, I'm going to meal prep. All right, here we go. Baby boy. that's how I meal prep. I only meal prep for 2 days at a time, just because when I try to do a whole week, I get tired of the food, and something about having the food in the fridge for a whole week gives me the heebie-jeebies. So I only do 2 days. So that was Monday and Tuesday's lunch, and I'm gonna have a nightcap and then go to bed around 8 o'clock. It's about 6:41 right now, and my battery's dying, so that just means it's time to end the vlog here. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for putting up with the short vlogs. I know there's only literally one person watching at some point, so I'm just thankful for the people who do watch, and hopefully we'll grow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow with another daily vlog. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys make for meal prep. What's your most common thing to make? Because I feel like I do the same kind of things every time. It's like some type of meat, rice, maybe some lentils, like, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.